Today I have Lumen Series for AirTag. This is an AirTag holder. It's made by OtterBox, as you can see right here. There's OtterBox's logo on there, and it's basically an AirTag holder. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It says carabiner included. Whatever a carabiner is, we're going to find out. Open it this way and pull this on out. And so right here is the AirTag holder. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put the AirTag inside of here so you can see what it looks like. Getting a little bit closer. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this and peel that back. And then when I pull this out, it is activated. Did you hear that? It has been activated. Now all I have to do is activate it on a phone. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. And there you have it. It is now connected to the holder. The AirTag is connected in there. And that is the OtterBox series for the Lumen series for AirTag by OtterBox. Attach this to a key ring right here before I go ahead and open it up for you so you can see what it looks like. This goes like that and attaches to a key ring right there. Pretty cool. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.